Here we have a log question. We're asked to evaluate this expression. The log to the base 10 of 4 plus twice the log to the base 10 of 5. Now there are various laws of logs that you've no doubt attempted to try and remember. One of them you'll recall is that log to the base a of some number to the power n, then that power can drift down to the front and we can rewrite that expression like this. Now that matters in this question because we do have a number at the front just like this here. So that can now, we can reverse this. We can go and rewrite the expression with that number at the front as an index. So we, in effect, that 2 just drifts back up and becomes 5 squared. Now we're now looking at an expression that adds 2 logs together, and one of the laws that you'll no doubt have learnt is that if we're adding the logs of 2 numbers together, then it'll be the log of their product. We multiply the 2 numbers together. So in this case, we'll get log to the 10 of 4 times 5 squared, which we can work out. 5 squared is 25, 4 25s is 100. So we've now faced with log to the base 10 of 100. And the way we read something like log to the base 10 of 100 is what power, read the log as the power, what power do you raise 10 to get 100? And the answer's 2. You can see that because 10 squared is equal to 100. Another example would be, what power do you raise 2 to get 8? The answer's 3. What power do you raise 3 to get 1/3? The answer is -1. 3 to the -1 is 1/3. What power do you raise 2 to get 8? 3, because 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Log to the base 10 is 100. What power do you raise 10 to get 100? Answer's 2, because 10 squared is equal to 100. So there's the answer to part A. Let's now have a look at part B of this question, if we can find it. There it is. We have to solve an equation. Log to the base 2 is a different base now. 7x minus 2, log to the base 2 of that, minus log to the base 2 of 3 is equal to 5. Well, we've got the subtraction of 2 logs here. So one of the other rules that you learnt, log to the base a of x minus log to the base a of y. When you're subtracting the logs of 2 numbers, you'll end up with the log of their quotient, what you get when you divide them. So in this case, log to the base 2 of this minus log to the base 2 of that, that will give you log to the base 2 of 7x minus 2 divided by 3. For subtracting the logs, we divide the numbers. 7x minus 2 divided by 3, and that equals 5. Now again, we're faced with a similar situation to what we had when log to the base 10 of 100 is equal to 2. What power do you raise 10 to get 100? The answer's 2. What power do you raise 2 to get 7x minus 2 over 3? The answer's 5. So to get 7x minus 2 over 3, we have to raise 2 to the power 5. What power do you raise 2 to end up with 7x minus 2 over 3? The answer's 5. 2 to the power 5 is 7x minus 2 over 3. You may have other ways that you've learnt to deal with this. That's how I remember it. So what have we got? 7x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal 2 to the power 5. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 5 2's multiplied together, 32. So what is that giving us? Multiply both sides by 3. 3 times 32 is 96. Add 2 to both sides. It's 98. Divide both sides by 7. 14. So x is 14. That's Mr. Corsi signing out. Hope you enjoyed the video.